Era un niño muy divino y me lo robaron.
Anna Lopez struggled to find the words describing her son as a good young man whose passing, she said, was not only tragic but avoidable. Tonight, at this vigil in South LA by the accident scene, their attorney announced a wrongful death lawsuit against telecommunications corporate giant AT&T. 22-year-old Juan Figueroa was electrocuted to death on a boom lift last month when the basket he was standing in next to his 15-year-old brother became electrified after hitting a high-voltage power line.
We have information to believe that the series of events and circumstances that occurred on this tragic day were the direct and proximate cause of those working for a cell phone tower owned and operated by AT&T.
The family's attorney, Abraham Sandoval, said Figueroa and his younger brother were visiting their father that night. Harold Figueroa, who owns a tow truck business and parks his vehicles inside this lot that he leases to a company. Sandoval said that's when Figueroa decided to cut some overgrown branches from a tree to help clear out the space above the lot.
The personnel who we believe are working for AT&T left the boom here. See, this boom was here for a month, and they would actually allow my client, deceased Juan Diego, they permitted him to move the boom itself, knowing he was not trained to move that type of equipment.
Figueroa's sibling watched helplessly as his older brother burned inside that construction lift basket, where, in order to escape the flames from 3 massive explosions, he had to jump 20 feet below to a metal rooftop building. An AT&T spokesman wouldn't comment directly on the lawsuit, but said in a statement, "We were saddened to learn of this tragic event, which involved a piece of equipment that had been rented by a vendor and was awaiting pickup by the rental company. Our thoughts go out to those affected." There were witnesses who said that the boys had been, in their words, playing in this lift all evening long. Your response?
That is incorrect information. The boys were never playing on the boom. They were there to cut the branches of the tree that was there.
The family's attorney also told us that 15-year-old boy suffered serious injuries to his legs, broken bones, and will require more surgeries in the future. In downtown Los Angeles, Corrine Winter, KTLA 5 News.